And an update on this game. I don't know if I told you about this game, or not this, the game itself, but the map that I'm on currently is a different one. I'm playing as Russia. Fun fact, as Russia in this game mode, you can be at war with nearly half the world and not feel any problems. The only one that's giving me a problem is Mongolia. Mongolia is giving me a major problem, but the rest, not really. They tried to give me a problem, but as you can see, their neighbor Georgia isn't on this list, and I'll show you why that is. Why that is. That used to be part of Georgia. So did these lined areas. I don't know about these two though. They might have been a part of these guys, but this was also a part of these guys. Until I took it over to try to take their city, and then here comes the rogue state being a pain in the rear end. By the way, look at my economy. I only dream of this kind of an economy on this game. So yeah. Then you have, why don't I just do this? If they resist this time, they will regret it. How? I would... one sec. Let me do something. Oh, that's why. I'd have to declare war with a few other nations in order to get to Mongolia. Oh, really? To get to Mongolia from any other direction than from here. So I guess you could say they're lucky. But yeah. On that cat that I was petting earlier. Kind of afraid of my big dog. Macintosh. Macintosh. Say it to the camera. He's like, oh, attention, attention, I love attention. Anyways, the other game, the other map is right here. Gotta let it load. As I've said before, as I've said once before, at least, I would, if I could, record this strictly with just the recording software on the Chromebook. It can do it, but I am unable to get it to be able to do so. So, in other words, I am doing what I can. This is the annoying part of playing as Brazil. we don't have much resources. Of course, I'm in the lead last I checked. I'll show you what I'm talking about. I'm in the lead with points by a little bit. But I'm also allied with the US, which puts me to where if China doubles its number, it wouldn't even be close to beating me in my allies. I also stretched out an alliance arm with Russia.